Alright, so we're going to do some glitter slime. You want it slimier or do you want it clay? More clay. You want it slimy? Okay. Alright.
Slimy's the best.
Slimy is the best. Okay. Put in that. This time we're going to use clear.
Me. My word. Owie! This is how strong I am.
Whoops, there goes. You having difficulties?
At least I can open a water bottle. Most of my friends can't even do that.
Oh gosh, listen to the sounds you're making.
What?
You're making sounds.
I am not. I'm not the one doing it.
You are.
Oh, you. How many bottles? Just one. Okay.
Alright. Now, put in the glitter that you want.
How much?
You don't need a whole lot. You can put more than that in.
Yeah, but I'm putting two kinds.
Okay.
That was too much.
Sorry.
Do I mix it up?
Yeah, mix it up.
Oh, beautiful.
Mix it up while I go punish the dog.
Don't hurt him. Punishment.
Punishment. Put the window in timeout.
Okay, now we put the borax in.
Yeah. Here, you want me to pour it or do you want to do it? Here. We just don't put a whole lot because just start stirring it.
Okay.
If you want it slimy. That's so cool.
I know, right?
What? He can't even see anything and he's barking.
Those dogs.
There.
Me. Okay. Yeah, I think it needs a bit more.
He needs more?
Oh! Just a tiny bit. Beep.
Ew. It's like snot.
Oh, snot in my hands.
Blue and silver glittery snot.
Oh no! Gosh!
If it's clay, it doesn't do that. If it's more like the doughy. Here, a little bit more.
I can barely move it now. My hands are all slimy. Okay, here we go.
Okay, so in this bowl we have water and borax.
I'm washing my hands with it now.
Borax is not mixed up. It didn't all dissolve.
Don't you just love slime? I guarantee if
It's nasty. I'm not even putting. I'll put my hand in the sand Play-Doh stuff. I was fine with that, but I'm not doing.
You're gonna do it.
No, I'm
Come
not.
on, do it.
No,
for
that's
me.
just nasty.
Dude, that's not nasty.
It's like snot.
Ow, it's not though. It doesn't have germs on it.
It has nothing to do with the germs. I don't care about the germs. I can wash my hands. It's the sticky,
Exactly.
gooey.
It's fun.
Reminds me of Nickelodeon a long time ago when they had out the slime.
That was awesome.
Oh,
Come on.
No, I'd rather not.
Don't be a baby.
No. I'll let you do it. I got it for you. I gotta see you can do it, not me.
Don't you just love that noise?
Ew.
Oh, it's so fun.
Here,
Oh
let's
my
look
word,
at it.
this is
Hold
amazing.
it still. I like the sand, but oh my gosh, what the world is he?
What in the? Huh?
Now he's at the other window.
He knows his ways. Oh my word.
I can't see anything. It's dark in here.
It's a dungeon. Well, for dogs anyway. Oh my word, I love it. I love it. This is how space looks.
That's space.
Yes.
I don't have any black glitter. If you had black glitter, you could put the two together.
You know, that you'd be like the best person.
Well, I'm not the best because I do not have black glitter. I have clear.
I've never
iridescent.
seen black glitter.
Oh, I know what we could do. Ah, we got another one. I have idea of stuff I have in my craft section, my craft box.
You mean your
whole
room?
My craft corner.
It's in a corner. It's more like
Well, no,
a
this
room.
is literally out in the garage.
Exactly, it's a room. Okay, I think that's good.
All right, we need another bag.
Oh my word, look at the other one.
What's it doing?
It's like... It looks almost like... Look at it. It's like completely flat. It's kind of... It looks
Because
like...
it's not in a jar. All right, this one's gonna get like that too. Okay, so I don't. All I have are these big bags.
Oh my gosh.
You can put it in a
Ziploc. Get off my hands!
Yeah, that's just gross.
No, it's not. It's off. Admit it, girl.
Yeah, I'm not good. I'm not good.
Oh,
Put it in a smaller bag
I feel like
or in a Tupperware bowl with a lid so it doesn't dry out. And you can play with this for a long time.
Get off my
Now I'm okay playing with it like this. This is pretty cool. I like this. You can do this with little kids. Little ones that you don't want it to get all in their hands. Put it in a Ziploc bag. And just put it in here. Now that's cool. Okay, now that, you can make a stress ball out of that right there.
No, get off my hands.
Oh yeah, now I like that. I'm okay with that. Good job, Annie. I'm gonna play with this.
Oh my word.
Let's get the air out.
You are such a baby.
Oh my gosh. I seriously don't know what he could be barking at. Now he's probably barking at the birds in the backyard.
I will check on the Thor.
Very cool.
Thor, what you doing? What, you're on the couch?
Alright.
Shut your
Thanks for watching. This was just borax and some water, clear glue, and whatever color glitter that you choose. You can also put food coloring in it to change the color, but we just decided to do it like that. The more borax water you put in.
You ruined it!
No, I didn't. That felt good. I like that.
Wait,
The more borax you put in it, the stiffer it gets. All right. Have fun.